Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 1. Write 25 declarative sentences for practice like: I live in Jerusalem. I like reading books. I study in 10th class. My favorite color is green. Answer: here are 25 declarative sentences for practice. I live in Jerusalem. I like reading books. I study in 10th class. My favorite color is green. I enjoy playing cricket. I have a pet dog named Bruno. My school is near my house. I wake up early in the morning. I drink milk every day. My best friend's name is Rashid. I love eating pizza. I go to the park every evening. My father is a teacher. I always complete my homework on time. My mother cooks delicious food. I am learning English to improve my skills. I want to become a doctor. I enjoy watching cartoons on TV. My favorite subject is mathematics. I celebrate my birthday in October. I help my younger brother with his studies. I love to travel to new places. My favorite fruit is mango. I participate in school competitions. I enjoy listening to music. Activity suggestion. Ask students to write similar sentences about themselves or their surroundings and share them to boost confidence and creativity. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.